maybe it's my fault. Maybe I led you to believe it was easy when it wasn't. Maybe I made you think my game was built on flash and not fire. Maybe it's my fault that you didn't see that failure gave me strength, that my pain was my motivation.
He said, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. And I'm here to tell you today, if you got somebody came to my office the other day crying, I said, look, don't cry to give up, cry to keep going. Pain is temporary. It may last for a minute,